So I'm so excited to be here with Brandon Bomar, President of Infinite Dental Technologies. Brandon, tell us a little bit about what you do to help dentists be more successful, less stressed out, reduce the number of times I want to cry inside a day, and just be happier dentists and humans.
Sure. Thank you again for having me. So what we do, we're an advanced imaging company with a focus on 3D applications for dentists, mainly CBCTs. We do carry other imaging products as well, but that's about 98% of our business. I've heard it said before, and the rumors are true. It is, I believe, the single best piece of equipment that a dentist can buy for their practice. Most of the time, dentists are buying it for one reason, and then it ends up being so many more things for their practice and overall patient care. So it's our job to help facilitate that.
It's a versatile piece of equipment that I'm glad I've added to my practice as Dr. Nacho Goodman. Now, maybe I can use this example that will resonate with us as dads. Paw Patrols, when they came out on the scene, they got more popular and more popular and more popular. Do you see CBCTs getting more popular as a tool, and why do you think this is happening?
Absolutely. I really believe that it's going to be standard of care in the next 5 years or so. I've heard some numbers that maybe only about 100 out of the 180,000 dentists in the country, I believe only about half have a CBCT unit. So I really feel like there's a huge opportunity for one, but also a huge opportunity to get the practices up for their taking their patients to the next level with 3D technology.
And I appreciate that. I love you guys being a key resource and sponsor of our group. Appreciate the support. One of the things I'm learning and working as Dr. Nacho with so many different sponsors is how affordable a lot of things have become. So CBCTs have become more affordable as more people get in there. What is the investment range that you're a general dentist, you're a solo practitioner, maybe you do a few implants, maybe some endo, you want to get sleep apnea, and you're thinking, I need my first CBCT. What's the investment they're looking at, and with RayScan, what options do they have?
Sure, great question. So those range anywhere from the low 50s all the way up to about 125,000, all depending on what your needs are. So if you're looking for something where you need a larger unstitched field of view, the top two units from RayScan do have a 20 by 20 unstitched. The pricing from that for our groups starts in the upper 80s, which is kind of unheard of. Some of these other guys, I won't name names, but you're going to pay $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 more for that same unstitched larger field of view.
So it seems like you could get into a starter CBCT if you're a more advanced practitioner, but the main goal is to get started with it. In JDD, I say just do the demo. So share with us as we wrap up. How can someone reach out to you and your team? And more importantly, what happens when they reach out? Can they do a demo virtually? Do you have to come to their office? Tell us a little bit about that.
Sure. Yeah, they can reach out through our website, which is www.infinitedentaltech.com. There's a request a demo section on there that you can click and just add your name, phone number, email address. And if you would, please put Nachos in there so that we know that you're a Nacho member. We normally just start with the conversation. What needs are going to, what needs do you have for a cone beam? Where do you see yourself going in the next 5 to 10 years with your practice? And then we like to try and set up a 30-minute remote demo. So at a time that's good for you during the week, nights, weekends, we're pretty flexible with that. But that really helps give you an understanding of seeing the actual DICOM scans, and then also being able to navigate through the 2D and 3D software.
Awesome, and also you made a good point, but as a Nacho sponsor, you've given us a Nacho deal. So the reason they really want to mention that is because dentists are #dentist cheap, frugal, love a deal, so they will also get a better pricing through the Nacho community as well.
Absolutely.
Well, thanks so much for being here. Love what you share on the Dental Nachos Facebook group in our community. You're a true Nacho, or ABC, always be caring, and we really appreciate it.
Absolutely. Thank you again for having me.